Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to learn more about strings. So, what are strings? Here I'm making a variable called course. Okay. Using syntax. So we basically call this a string. It is basically insert a single quotes or double quotes. We can do many operations with strings like this. See with print course. Here you can give any from -1 if you give. It will come from the end, the first character will come. This time it will come mostly as X. Wait. So it came as X. So wait, I need to just comment it. Now if you want you can even print it like this. Wait. Print course, and on the terminal you will see it. Python has an easy syntax. Now we learn about formatted strings. Okay, suppose let's take a name. My name will take now name Akshat. No. Now what we need to do is first we should, if you want from the both ends, we can also cut two letters. Something like this you can even do. Print name 1 minus. See this, it will come. It will show you that KSH. A and T are cut from the both ends, and if you keep this value 2, we'll just check it to trial and error method. See, from one end 2 is cutting and from another end 1 is cutting. If we keep -2, only SH will remain. This is something very cool. So suppose if you have a huge piece of code, something like this, name1 is equal to classics and is studying in Cornerstone School. He knows tables until 150 and scores until 100 and cubes until 80. Okay, suppose I wrote a huge sentence. Now what do you want to do? So if you want to just keep some of the middle code like this and is studying. You just want the main thing. Yes, right. Like until here. So what you need to do? Print name1. Now here we'll keep 4 minus 4. We'll go with trial and error method so that we can understand. 80 is studying in class 6. Yeah, like this. Sage is studying classic studying constant. See, it came until like this. Cubes until 80. We just it will come something like this. If you want, you can try many of this. So these are basically called as formatted strings. If you want to try this, I'll give you an exercise. First, what you need to do is first you should take any name or a huge sentence if you want. Then what you need to do, then keep something like this 6 colon minus 6 and print a specific part which you want to know, and then you give it in the comment section. So thanks, see you later.